Hey everyone, today I have a 5-pin Schlage mortise cylinder. Well, at least I think it's Schlage. So yeah, 5 pins, all standard, so nothing too bad about it. In case you're wondering what that is, that's a gash I got from a door, surprisingly. Got it wedged in the hinge. It's tricky all of a sudden, what the hell? Got this in 15 seconds once. There we go. Jesus. So there you go. Picked open. I already have the back off because I tried this 2 other times, but I keep on getting interrupted. So there you go. The bitting on it. As you can see, it's just the first couple pins. Hold up. There we go. First couple pins, the first and last pins, sorry, are the only odd ones, really. And the other 2 are pretty simple. So, yeah. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, and cinco. So there's all 5 of the pins. Legs hurt. Start pulling drivers for you. Standard. Oh, spool. Okay, I did not know that, actually. Did I tamper with this thing? Anyway, pin number 3, standard. Standard, if I can get it out. And standard. There's a spool in there. Alright. So, there you go. Get some light over here so you can see that a little better. Oh crap, sorry. Having a hard time. Just 1 second, I'll get you a better view of that. So there you go. All the pins. Standard spool, standard. So yeah, thanks for watching.